Hello everybody. I thought I would call on you all and tell me if I'm doing right, wrong, or indifferent here. And I think I've found the problem, but I'll tell you what I done and you see what you think about it. So my tractor was I used it, I pulled up, parked it, everything was fine. And then I went out to start it, nothing, dead. So I checked, like the battery, I checked to make sure all the safety things were on and it was not something stupid like I, usually do. However, here's what I finally come down to. I had actually took and checked and found out that I wasn't getting any juice going up to the front. So I got down in here underneath the battery, and there is a this is it right here, and this is a relay switch basically that goes to the solenoid starter. And this is back underneath of the seat, right down in here. I took the bottom part of the battery compartment off because that was the easiest way for me to get to it. And the juice is not going through here. This piece right here. So I wanted to let you know what I was doing this morning. As you know from watching my videos, yesterday was Christmas decorations, and whew, what a day. But anyhow, it goes right down in there. As you can see, there's another one down in there. I had one that I took off from another tractor just to try it, but it's not the same. It's different. It has a different hookup on it, and it's not compatible with this one. So this is what I ordered. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you all have a great day today. And I'll let you know how it works when the part comes in. Hey y'all, thank you very, very much for visiting us at Our Little Texas Ranch. See y'all soon.